Hey guys, I'm back with the continuation of the first video. You will see that here in the second paragraph, I've added why I think my sentence will be effective. I have not gone and explained the background of Brandon yet. That is where I'm going to type in all of that juicy information about Brandon, about his family life, how his parents were divorced, his emotional issues, and I'll explain some of his the trouble that he has gotten into. So I can do this later. I went ahead and typed out why I think my sentence will be effective. And this is what I wrote. Brandon is a juvenile, so an extended jail time may not be appropriate or beneficial. However, since this is not his first offense, he still needs a somewhat strong consequence. The court thinks, now remember, here, talking about, talking about the third person point of view. Now, I think the court thinks a short stay in youth detention center will be a wake-up call, and a year probation afterward will help keep Brandon on the right path. Now, you may say, but Miss Mitchell, you said in the last video that thinks is kind of a weak word. And you know what? You would be right. Thank you for that heads up. Let's change that. Let's replace things with determines. That is a much stronger word. It has some action behind it, right? The court determines a short stay in YDC or Youth Detention Center will be a wake-up call, okay? So I've gotten most of my first paragraph, most of my second paragraph. Now I'm on to my conclusion. Now, if you notice on Google Classroom, on the assignment, I have, sorry, I thought I had it already pulled up, but apparently I don't. Let me pull it right up here. It says that I need to restate the claim. I'm going to copy and paste this here. I need to restate the claim. I need to summarize the information in the first paragraph and provide closing thoughts, okay? So I'm going to start by restating the claim. What is my claim? My claim is this right here. The court decides that Brandon should serve a short jail sentence and a year's probation. That is my claim, okay? So I'm going to restate the claim, and I'm going to say the court determines that a short stay in YDC, which is the juvenile jail, and a year's probation will be beneficial for Brandon. Now, notice I didn't type exactly what I had written up here. That's why it says restate the claim. I'm not copying and pasting the claim, I'm rewording it. So I'm saying the same thing, I'm just rewording it, okay? So now I need to summarize the information in the first paragraph. So the court determines a short stay in YDC and a year's probation will be beneficial for Brandon. I can then summarize the information in my first paragraph and say, Brandon, let's see, on March 25th, Brandon pled guilty before the court to 3 offenses. I'm spelling it off today, sorry guys. Including major offense, robbery. And then I'm going to end with closing thoughts, and I can say the court hopes this will deter Brandon from future misdemeanors. Voila, I'm done.